Multigrain seed bread in the Omnia. I made this bread using 400 grams of a ready-made bread mix. Just add water, let it rise according to the instructions. Then do the second rise directly in the Omnia. I'm using the silicone ring. If you don't have one, grease the pan well. Let the dough rise for 1 hour. Make sure the dough doesn't rise above the edge. The trick to prevent burning: use a flame tamer. Place the pan on your largest burner. Set the heat to high. After about 25 minutes, your bread is ready. Insert a skewer. If it comes out clean, the bread is done. Want a darker crust? Remove the flame tamer during the last 8 minutes and slightly tilt the lid. This creates airflow. Temper your flame. Let the bread cool on a rack. And here is the result: a soft, moist inside with a beautiful crust. See you in the next video. Ma.